Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Fashion Star Gold. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to cut a 4-step phone sleeve. The step will start from the elbow. If you don't know how to cut a basic sleeve, please go to my channel. There's going to be a link at the description box. There's going to be a link so that you can click it there and watch. So this is my basic sleeve. I have here my basic sleeve. So I'm going to measure and cut it from the elbow. How do you get your elbow? Is either you take the measurement or you measure it this way. 25 divided by 2 is 12.5 inches. Then you come up by ½ inch. So I'll measure the remaining one here. That's 10.5. So this is where my elbow is. 12.5 inches. So it's going to be attached to this. I have another paper here, another pattern paper here. So just watch carefully how I'm going to fold it. I'm going to fold it in a triangular form. I'll fold it this way. I want to take the pattern first. I want to trace it first. The width is 10, that is 20 inches. So I'm going to measure 12. Let me see whether this one has reached 12. This is 12. I'll mark it this way. So as I said, you have to take 12 inches. That is 10 inches plus 2 inches allowance. So I'm measuring 8 here, 8 this way, 8 this way, and 8 this way. So I'm going to cut it off. So what I'm going to do is now, I want to place this one and cut. So I folded it into triangular form. Then I place the one I cut first on it. What I want to do now, I want to add some inches. So I've added 3.5 inches to it. Added 3.5 inches to it. For this place, I'm going to cut it the same thing, same measurement, at the same 12 inches. This is how this one look like. The difference is the inches that I added to this one. This is the first one, this is the second one. So I want to look for the third one. So this one is the, I'll assume that this one will be the second one, this one will be third one, because the paper is too small now. I'm tracing the beginning part of it. So I want to add some inches. This one I'll add 2 inches. 2 inches to it. 2 inches all around. So I'm going to cut it this way. So I finished cutting it, cutting the pattern. Is assume this is the best of it. This is the one that has the longest side. This one is the second one. This is the third one. If you like, you can trim it. Let it be a little bit smaller. Just take the measurement. Like 1 inch apart. Then leave the base. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So there's a way you attach all of them together. Attach it this way. The 3, place a 2 on it. Place this, the third one on the second one. So I'm going to attach it here. This is the basic sleeve. So attach it this way. I'm going to attach it. When I finish attaching it, I'm going to show it to you. So I'll look for the midpoint and attach it. So I've done pinning it. I want to try and see whether I can sew it. Jesus. I've done sewing, so I want to notch it now so that I can be relaxed. So this is how it looks like. Wow. The first one, the second one, the third one, or reverse is the case. The first one, the second one, the third one. So I'm going to trim it out. I'm going to join it again. I cannot join it inside. If I join it inside, if I want to bring it out, the pattern paper will tear. So I'm joining it this way. It's just for illustration purpose. If you are fast enough, you can grab something, what I've just shown you. So this is how it's going to look like. So this is the funnel hand. You attach it to the shoulder. So this is all about the funnel hand. Let me see how I can clip it for us to see. So this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. So this is all about how to cut and how to sew. Don't mind the pattern paper, at least it's working out something for us. So you have come to the end of this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Just help me to grow. I'm giving you good tutorials, so subscribe to it. As I said, this is the first one, the second one, the third one, and that's how to attach it to the elbow. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, as I said. What are you waiting for? I love you guys. Bye.